Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got your tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear. We got gripped running boards on either side, heated door mirrors that are trailer towed, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we do get remote start with recovery hooks, block heater, aftermarket LED lights, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, 12-volt with USBs, rear vents, and of course you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, pedal adjusters, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 219,318 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through display mode, strip and feel, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right here, we got tons of storage, cup holders, some outlets, and it does close. We do get some storage in your center console as well, pretty handy. Trailer brake, trailer backup, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. We got your climate controls with your heated front seats, 12-volt and 110. Storage below. On the dash, and looking up here, we do get a powered rear window opener. Looking here, we have our hill, traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start, media controls. We get navigation, audio, and phone. And looking at our audio here, we get AM. If it just wanted to disappear, that would be great. FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM with the CD capabilities. We got our phone controls, your navigation. Pretty easy to use as well. Any apps you may download will show up right here as well, with your SiriusXM travel link and your settings such as SiriusXM, Bluetooth, phone, Apple CarPlay, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF02566A, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.